Searching team drives is also available. Click the search bar to get started. If I type in RIM in the search bar, the search results show RIM items from my drive and team drives. More information needs to be included in the search to display only RIM items from the IT RIM drive. Click on the search tools or the drop-down arrow for more search options. Here again, we have the basic search options, like file type and owner of the file. But the location field is what we're interested in. Choose location, select team drive, click the forward arrow to go inside the team drive, where we can choose a specific team drive. In our case, the IT RIM drive. Add the search term RIM and click search. Now all the search results for RIM items in the IT RIM drive can be seen. The results are now just 2 files. If you select the file, the location path to the file will be displayed at the bottom of the window. Clicking on the Google Apps Launcher from within Team Drives will access all of Google's products. Team Drives also has a gear icon, so this means there are settings that can be adjusted. Click on the gear icon and choose Settings. There are 3 settings you might be interested in. Automatically converts files to Google Docs format. What does this mean? Microsoft Word files will automatically be converted to Google Docs when they are uploaded to team drives. Edit offline, no Wi-Fi, no worries. You can keep on working without the internet. Files can be updated once the internet connection has been re-established. Suggestion? Turn on this option for quick access to the files you have recently been working on. Click Done when you are through with the settings dialog box. The eye icon will give you details of the activities on the specific team drive, who has been there, when they've been there, and what they did. The list view and grid view are still accessible. If you have the GSuite Training extension installed, click on the question mark and everything you've ever wanted to know about team drives is presented in quick interactive tutorials.